thank your administrative board, and the most important thing, you must thank your country. Claps for your country. We have two trainers here right now. Okay, Mr. Orlando, he's a genius guy. He's my guy. Really. He made everything clear to you.
Dice que el señor Orlando ya dijo todo lo necesario para ustedes.
He's also my master.
Y es su maestro también.
Yeah.
Es el genio aquí.
Why we need simulator? This is a very short question, and I need very short answers. Why we need simulators when we are doing training, when we are learning something? Why we need simulators?
¿Por qué creen que necesitamos los simuladores al momento de aprender o hacer training?
Why? One answer is perfect. Anybody else?
Reducir costos.
Perfect. Perfect. Anybody else? Perfect. As the trainer of 25 years, I'm going to say something, but it's not new. I'm an old person. I'm going to share you with all the information. I'm not here to teach you something. I'm here to share you what I have in my hand and in my pocket.
Dice que como alguien que ha aprendido ya 25 años y ha estado capacitando sobre todo lo que van a aprender, a través de su conocimiento y de su bolsillo.
Because we have experienced training here more than 30 years, more than 20 years, and you have 2 years here. You are more capacity, you have more capacity than I have. More knowledge.
Ustedes tienen todo el conocimiento y la capacidad porque ya tienen más de 2 años y profesores que ya van 30 años.
That's why I'm not going to teach you anything. If you have something to teach me, please feel free and teach me. But I'm going to share you some information, and I believe you will like it. There is no professor in the world. We call him David Cole. Don't forget his name. David Cole is the professor, he's the sociologist. Who has an idea about experiential learning?
¿Alguien tiene alguna idea de lo que es el aprendizaje experimental?
For example, I'm going to ask you a question. You guys are going to swim? Going somewhere to swim?
¿Ustedes van a nadar?
Yeah. The first time you're on the rock, on a big rock, and you jump into the water. But it is not deep, it is just 1 meter. What happens?
¿Qué pasa cuando aprenden a nadar, saltan del acantilado de la roca y solamente hay un pequeño espacio de 1 metro? ¿Qué es lo que pasa?
What happens? You hurt yourself. You hurt yourself. Yeah, you hurt yourself. So the second time you came to the same rock. Do you jump?
La segunda vez, ¿ustedes saltarían de nuevo?
Why you don't jump?
¿Por qué? ¿Por qué no saltarían?
¿Por qué? Why you don't jump?
Se supone que ya tengo experiencia en el primer salto.
Perfect. We have the experience. If we jump down there, we are going to hurt each other, hurt ourselves. We know this. How do we know this? By the experience.
Entonces, ustedes ya saben, ya tienen el conocimiento previo, así que todo lo aprenden con experiencia.
Okay, what Mr. David Cole says, bring the experience in the learning and
Aquí es lo que dice el señor David.
if you cannot bring the experience in the learning, bring the feeling. Correct? Randall? Okay, perfect. I'm learning. I told you. Okay. If you are not able to bring the learning here, bring the feel, and you're going to make the learning.
Simplemente hay que compartir el sentimiento aquí, traigan todo el sentimiento aquí para poder compartir.
For example, let's say I'm working in a police school, and I'm teaching how to investigate a crime scene after a shooting.
Okay, por ejemplo, ustedes están en la policía, están investigando cómo es que comienzan a saber de un tiroteo, por ejemplo.
Can I bring the experience in the wedding?
Ustedes podrían traer como que la
I have to kill someone. No.
Tendré que matar a alguien para
So
tener la experiencia.
what we can do, we can bring the feeling. You can create a scenario, you can create a scene, or you can create a simulator.
También es necesario que pues, tengan que experimentar el tiroteo. Simplemente
That's very true. That's very true. That's very true. Costs